Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a pressure washer. Now, as we mentioned, some pressure washers are gas, some are electric. Obviously this one is electric. It has a 5 horsepower, 110 volt electric motor that drives the pump. But others you may see are gas. When you need a larger pressure washer, you'll need to go to gas because you're limited to the horsepower that electric motor can generate on 110 household electric. So if you need something more powerful than 1200 psi and 2 gallons per minute, then you'll probably need to step up to a gas-powered pressure washer. They are considerably more expensive, but one advantage to a gas, other than being more powerful, is the gas is more portable. You can go and you can bring it and use it anywhere where electric may not be available.